Yamo kwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade eso yede nyame asese na so amade pa fefe achie ne nkwa hodin kraye dwumade na ne ya hyase bra yede nnwom agegemu ababai de edu so no eye Adom kase nsam ne do so ne etodwa omu bi ya wobeti eni efa toboot ya ban adwene so wobesa de ababiem no minority fo akasa de afa ho yede sansam ni kiremu ebebro Yebeko Asankraka Technical Institute one day adesre ena eto aban ne mpanifo anim se bebia nwumasua ekro no wo mu hia se yeboa wo mu hawmo eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share me live on Facebook/Adom TV extra ukogo TV a 119 ye channel a obenya Adom TV ena DSTV ye 280 wo YouTube wo search Adom TV tube obenya ye ne ndwumadi midi e de afia amankwa Tamaklo. Afia ni DMNT said and something chemo ankasa etie. Minority Chief Whip Ora Kwame Agboza ena ekasa idefa the Roads and Highways Minister Francis Asensobuache edi tudwa chemu so maybe no pese wo call enkania wo to boot the ni ho kwan say we yi edi efri ho ne no ena da klum no hye bedwani akasa dia fa ho Adom TV kase etwaso.
Minority Chief Whip Kwame Agboza Edi atudwa se MPP amanyoko na womo eyi eyeto efiri ho na womo edi levy ebaye sa amanyoko ya sambe gina mrahye bedwam se womo esan di toyi aba wode to Ghana fo anim se anamontu aba we etu no entro nko a ana odi bu na mai enu ntini ma Ghana fo enyen omo entum.
That is quite an interesting position of the current road minister. In fact, is it not the case that he was part of cabinet when the decision was taken to suspend the collection of tolls, and when Mr. Speaker and all of us drew the attention that that singular action was illegal, they told Mr. Speaker to go to the toll booths and collect the tolls himself if he likes. This is just a testament of a government that is wayward, lost touch, and doesn't know what they want. Today, a cabinet minister or cabinet took a decision to suspend the collection of toll as a propaganda to foist e-levy down the throat of Ghanaians. We are paying e-levy today. They want to take more money from you, so they are coming back to condemn each other to say that they want to collect tolls. The entire government is condemned. They cannot pick and choose who is upright in the government. So we wait. We have been consistent saying that there was no need to suspend the collection of tolls, so Ghanaians can see which part of the political divide can be trusted, is consistent with policies in this country. And obviously, the MPP's record of being straight and fair to Ghanaians has been called into question so many times. So,
Board Director da Asankraka Technical Institute Ura Paul Ankoma What the other sender to a bino enim say be a school name Bobby Ginano, I was sent Sacraye Bemo, a 1 year me bois, a me school tumpong, said a bay bema, a woman swear, any other chair, a manimuso, or near Adom TV Case at Wasso.
Director Emma Asankraka Technical Institute Paul Ankoma dia de sere to Ghana ban when mu say adawroma wombra won sere ban mu no mbesisi adesua dan enfama wo mu se de beya ebebo wa de kire ne adesua ensem emu na se wo kire mu yi pa dia Asankraka Technical Institute pe ene ye TV school wo South Municipality a wo mu eni adesua dan dodo na bra Alex Chum ejina board chairman no anemu eni Adom kase twetwe no Uchire mu se wo ye wo mafemu de nanso enam do matches ne classroom science dan do so ho nintino eya mpem bebre na na mo bre e wadwuma wo ye ne emu
beto get from school e wa ha almost but say school no musi ma wo say nya wo mo a abesi ye premises so etika ye stress e omo no emfama school no na nka omo ntimi nyuso enema miensa aka ho dormitory classrooms and a workshop school no elaki the other side dey say aban som na akwa bia the sector minister no honorable edichum no be ye no dey abeboa ye no onsom no mra meboa ye is an say we no school no ya sakraka ne sie but a ye kwau south enyina no mama one TVET school enu nti no omo pagya mu ekwani maye ya eyekọ nyina ha enu onyam
Enwechi, Epoye Mantam no director of TVET, Danso Aboaten, and so at the Trabata in Animal say, Omo Homodiana Technical School, sir, a home my mono, a young for more friend and Komobi.
Ushemwa TVET, ye ni unemployed graduates, because Abofra or Befa TVET in Titi Mono, or coffee with two things, the certificates and the skills. Skills now are acquire from TVET, and una or day a coffee. Osha asaka ha ye courses bit say building and construction day in and day out people are building it's abofra no begin sa experience no na okofia obenya construction firm bi de ne ho abon onte ho na watwen sa ban ema wadwuma enti ne tete wo mu ewo ensan wadwuma mu no enti no abribia no mihie omo ame encourage wo mu especially the girls because gonna
Yankwamra Shebeja film na majority leader Alexander Fejomakin na edinsamu tudwa se enche. Osofo ya oshangumesian so ebeba na free senior high school bill no. One more abobo huashe amanaya mamra Adom TV kase etwaso.
Nimpa Alexander Fejomakin nsem twefo etwetwe nkomo ena odi tudwa se free senior high school bill enche. Oswafa washe engumesua so ede ba beto emrahebedwafo animu no ebebo ama nhihye bi e wo free senior high school nimu no mpanifo age atum na emra bi a wose ekekere ho emane yeyie no nsuso etimi akoso inipadodo na ena ekasa sebe ya anka mampanyina na danko kufu adone na aban ensanko wachi na free senior high school wode ba ye no onhwemu biem esanse enema bi wo hono mo a wode hyemu ebetimi aboa ama ngumesua akonanim eno ena Alexander Fejomakin ekere Sedi ehun marano oswafo hwengumesua so de babeto mrahebedwafie.
The Minister of Education will present the free SHS bill to Parliament. You know, the chapter 5 of the Constitution provides some aspirational indicatives. There are provisions in the Constitution that you cannot enforce. You cannot claim rights to those provisions. The fact that they are there does not mean that you can apply to the court to enforce those rights. They are merely, should I use merely, they are aspirational. Now, when it gets to a point that a government lifts it up to give life to it, there is a need to enact a law to regulate same, and in doing so it should have been given life. Then the lawyers will say now it has become justiciable in the sense that a court of law can rely on it to make certain orders, enforce certain rights, and give rights and take certain actions. So I think that this free SHS bill, if we consider as a house, what that means is that it becomes mandatory for government to implement this. Unless it is repealed, no government would have the right to say, I am not going.
Adishia ya wamo ewo gulumpe wondi adisrena eto wana wonsem wo bie anim wameboa womo na gulumpe MA junior high school block no na anu adanso to ewi akire nchense egusu nyina pa no ama adehyiane adekire enkoyie saa wo ho oni Adom TV atwaso
ni atso asese nyapade pia omanfo afie ka ho afei suku a ewo kentampo mensiri mu nso edan no swapa gulumpe MGHS ABC Center ensio yitoye enima pia asese wo suku nim ne senti ama adehyiane adekire enkoso a awofo ne kabie wofo de adesre eto aban ne assembly anim sada roma omrameye wo mmoa Seidu Harrison assembly member ochiremu a
ye ne to aban ko ani so a yiri se ne ma na edan aban ne so no edoso obi a prepe ane Adom FM aba be ye mmoa bebre se omode beto guaseman se ombeje se free enterprise ana NGOs so ombeboa ma yetimi anyamboa enti ama ye ni abrowe nyina ne se school we ya ye gina musesi eye BEC Center na nyina gidi se BEC no be koso on next month July we around 17th na ebe twe bi so na say omo ba na classroom ni ho a na je say na ebe abe ni nyina ebe kwa
PTA chairman Isaaku Latif or the adesre eto mrashibi dwane ni mensiri krache ni mse omra meye wo mo adoye
hokese ba if say nye mwa animunim ya because ade ne ye no Friday no pa ye ba school mu ye ba be hu bibia nkwala ne tena se almost me ade in fact encouraging the best re MP MC penyufo mo work in the point of ana Ghana nyina no se mo be ye mwa se de ya nkwala no omo adesua no ebetima ko omo anim in fact ye nya mo se de in fact abe ha nkwala because next month ye candidate no mo kwakwature omo kwakwature so se na dan no so apa no ti omo ma ye mo anten pa dia yankwala no abe ha mo be breeze
awufo bi so e de sansem yetudwa
nkra no aka mbeka kre bi na omo be chro na se nkra no so nya ba bi antanse anchro e de how be pre na be panti ye stress aban anase MP anase MC obi biera o ni se bibi wo ni sem no obetim bi aboa no srenara omo bo na omeboa na me nkra no
Kro ya wo Twapiase ya na kwasi pra wode adesre tudwa se Twapiase senior high school no wo mu hia fasio sebe ya enipa bi ewura mu be se ne ma ha dwene no eto obetwa woni Adom kase atwaso
eboni eni odi kro wo Twapiase na kwasi pra twetwe nkomo no wode tudwa se emfie nsu nie ena osi se school ye na nso bebi adesuafo betena ne akade bi bebo ma adesua ne adekira koso no wo mu nibi enkanka ene fensi a ebeji school ne ho ban ahia chirimu se ya na binom ifri baby bo wura school mu onum kokodi bone ne senti onya sa fensi yi ebetimi aboa
eti school ya ban be so mu fie nso mu na yakwen nso hwe de wa ne ma si ejina wa ade se yenya mu kotakra nti sa na eguso sa ban ene assembly no se ekwan bia obofa so mbebo ma school no etimi ejana na so se de school bia city no omutimi mu a bambo de bebre isi akora bia ma no so ade wo sene titiri omo efie kura na omo mba school ha no moto na odi nam ha obi na do kura na omo nam ha se fans wo ho na get down a no so obi betwa free fie be school ha nti fans wo ni hu de high school pa nti ni monum ya na ekwa fa so a baby kakra kura se omo timi anturu nyina kura baby wo ha esese timi fans wo akra fa ho na esi ekwan a eso mutimi ba sa adman de boy
na no si yepe na James Kwakubrefo assistant headmaster administration ya wo school ni mu editor just say suku yina ko hwe kwan so betimi age adesuafo dodo na nanso bebi adesuafo tera ne sa aban ametre mu dia nyade obetimi age nipa dodo e wo suku no emu
abrose esi achi na anu ya na aban esi amayen na ye challenges ndi bebrebe say school na a boarding house 2 years ago say ye nya classroom block a meka de yo say dia there's a feed ahwe ankra 73 eni betimi afom baby a yankura ne da no so no enye menka say ye enye ndi e besre Minister of Education aban ene yankura obi a ebi won nsem a enimanimu ye obetimi abeboa yen we die enye ade a ye gito ho samre ya akosi November na ye nya classrooms eni bia dormitory ba ko bia na mienu bia
Mayina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asiase dan koma emre ene wadaje a wode hye yenti dwumadie no de aka ne dɔɔso ye kwa baba esima mienu yentwe homra na ye mehwese de obonkrata no se ene online story midi afia amankwa tamaklo